Choosing the right land is the most critical step in real estate development, not just for profitability, but for long-term success. Feng Shui offers time-tested principles to identify auspicious locations that attract wealth, prosperity, and harmony. Whether you're developing residential communities, commercial hubs, or luxury estates, these Feng Shui guidelines will help you avoid bad energy, sha qi, and select land with maximum positive potential. 1. The 4 celestial animals land formation. In Feng Shui, the ideal land follows the 4 guardians model, representing 4 celestial animals. Black tortoise, north symbolize mountain/high structure stability, support. Red phoenix, south symbolize open space/water opportunities, growth. Green dragon east symbolize slightly higher land vitality, male energy. White tiger west symbolize lower land protection, female energy. Best case example, a plot with hills in the back, tortoise, a river in front, phoenix, and balanced left, dragon, and right, tiger, elevations is considered extremely auspicious. Avoid flat, exposed land, no support, land with steep drops behind. Note tortoise equals instability. 2. Water position, the wealth magnet. In Feng Shui, water equals wealth, but its placement matters. White check mark, good water positions, gently flowing river in front, wealth accumulation, curved waterways, like a jade belt encircling the land, cross mark, bad water positions, fast flowing or straight rivers, wealth rushes away, stagnant ponds, traps negative energy, water behind the land, wealth flows out. Case study, a Singapore luxury condo project near a slow curving river sold 30% faster than similar properties near straight canals. 3. Avoid poison arrows, sha qi threats. Sha qi, killing energy, comes from T-junctions, roads pointing directly at land, sharp angles, from neighboring buildings, electrical towers, cemeteries, hospitals nearby, dead-end streets, stagnant energy. Solutions, black check mark, use trees, walls, or fountains to block negative energy. Black check mark, install a pa kua mirror to deflect harmful qi. 4. Land shape matters, square versus irregular, shape Feng Shui effect, square/rectangle balanced energy flow, L-shaped missing sectors equals life imbalances, triangle conflict, instability, uneven edges chaotic energy. Fix for irregular plots, use landscaping or structures to complete missing areas, place strong lighting or flags in weak zones. 5. Soil quality and slope, the earth's energy, white check mark, good soil signs, fertile, moist, healthy qi, gentle slope, 1 to 5% incline, cross mark, bad soil signs, rocky, cracked, or eroded, poor energy, steep slopes, qi flows too fast, former landfill/swamp sites, negative history. Pro tip, before buying, check historical land use, avoid sites with violent pasts, battlefields, prisons. 6. Road and traffic flow, the qi pathways, white check mark, auspicious roads, gently curving, qi flows smoothly, U-shaped or circular, wealth gathers, cross mark, inauspicious roads, dead-end streets, stagnation, highways too close, chaotic energy, roads forming scissors shape, financial loss. Example, a Shanghai office building at a U-shaped road junction reported 40% higher occupancy than one on a straight road. 7. Neighborhood energy, the human qi factor, even perfect land can be ruined by bad surroundings. Black check mark, good neighbors, parks, schools, thriving businesses, bad neighbors, abandoned buildings, funeral homes, noisy factories. Developers hack, visit the site at different times, check for noise, smells, and overall vibe. Final checklist for Feng Shui land selection. Before purchasing land, ask, does it have mountain, tortoise, plus water, phoenix, balance? Is the shape regular, square/rectangle? Are there poison arrows nearby? Is the soil healthy and stable? Do roads curve gently around it? Is the neighborhood vibrant and positive? Smart developers combine Feng Shui plus geological surveys for the best investments.